The nature is our best teacher, but we need to understand the best way to listen, to see, to feel. I'm here in tropical forest, Atlantic forest, Brazil. We can see, listen, and understand the principles of nature. When we open the eyes, open the mind to see the nature and the process that we find here. One important thing when we are inside the forest, when we enter in the forest, is to look the soil, look the floor. We can't see the soil directly. We see leaves, roots, sticks, and this is to make a bed to the life, to the microorganisms, to create a web inside the soil, to connect the trees and the other plants, fungus, and other ways of life. So this is one principle of nature: cover the soil. If you don't have organic material to put in your soil, plant your cover. After this, we can look the quantity of plants, diversity, density. Look here, this part. Look the density of plants here and the diversity of life. Look here. Look the diversity of life. And all the plants growing together. This is our best example about family. It's our best example about society. We can take these principles and use in our society, using our families, using our relationships. You can see the difference of species. For example, this is a kind of grass, and they have big trees here. Grass don't need too much time to grow and die, but the trees, there's more time. Here there is a succession nature. I'm here in an open place and we can find grass here. But there, I didn't find grass because I have many trees there. But here, this is a trail that the vegetation here, the people take out. But now, this trail is not working more. So the plants restart to grow here and start with grass that have a small cycle. But together, I have trees. I have trees for different species growing together to transform this part to a forest. Other things important to see is the different of stages. You can see different floors. First floor, second, third floor. All the species there is a necessity and a function here. Some species need more sun and others need more shadow. And these plants growing together because one help other. So, using the strats, we can use the space in a better way because we can produce species that shadow and we use others that need a big quantity of sun. And here is a nature. Nature, there is a time different of us. If we need more things of the nature, we need to work with nature. So when we work management the places, we can accelerate process. In this way, we have one more principle, management. I told about cover the soil, diversity of life, density, natural succession, strats or stratification, and management. The life working to management, but not the same time. Look here. I have a workers here. Termites. Inside the termites, look for these. Together to the termites, you have fungus. To transform these plants in organic material. But do you remember the video that I told about my legs that is bigger than ants? And my legs is bigger than termites too. So I need to accelerate because the termites go to the plants to talk me. I need to listen. It's not the moment for this tree here. The termites growing to transform. I can use my handsaw, chainsaw to organize this material. And we can go fast using the same principles, but we don't have hurry. It's the same movement of nature. And we use our capacity of being nature. I have many other things to talk about this. And we have time. If it's your first time that you look my videos, follow me, because I have many things to teach you. And it's very important that you make questions to me, record another class, okay? Sharing to your friends. See you.